Doctors, nurses, and other medical staff are working round the clock to help COVID-19 patients.
Now there's a push to give them a place to stay when going home for them is just too big of a risk. News Channel 5's Kelsey Gibbs tells us how short-term rental owners are pitching in. Just another example of how kindness isn't canceled.
Hundreds, even thousands of healthcare workers are on the front line fighting against COVID-19, while many are afraid to go home because of possible exposure to their families. But that's where Airbnbs come in to help.
We decided to take that and offer it up for, the real heroes of the country and the city right now. They're helping everyone, to have a comfortable place to lay their head at night.
Trevor Xanthos has several short-term rental properties, and business in Music City made a sweet sound. But when the music stopped because of the coronavirus, so did the tourism, hitting his wallet.
It's been good for the past couple years, but it's been a challenging last 3 weeks, I'd say.
Even though Xanthos is facing a hardship of his own, he wanted to help others.
We have expenses to pay, whether it's a mortgage or rent costs and utilities. So we're basically lowering the prices as much as we can. So really just enough to keep the lights on.
Airbnb hosts are doing it for the doctors, nurses, technicians, and other medical staff battling this deadly disease by offering them short-term temporary housing. It's called Med Relief Housing.
It is a great thing that we are able to help out not only hosts that need to get their places filled, but also the healthcare professionals that are risking their lives.
Xanthos says hosts will continue to do this as long as there's a need during this crisis. Kelsey Gibbs, News Channel 5.